Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to upgrade the new Oceans Cleanup hobby in Heartopia. So in this new event, the Call of Whales event, you can clean oceans pollutions and collect different kinds of shells and other useful rewards like this. And you can also level up this hobby to make it even better. And the upgrading is easy. First, just open your hobby menu, this one, and then just go to the Oceans Cleanup, this one. And then in here you'll need make sure your oceans clean up proficiency bar is full on here. Then you will need an oceans clean up upgrade ticket, this one. And unlike other hobbies, this one has its own special upgrade ticket or upgrade voucher. You can get it as a reward by increasing your explorations rank in the Whalefall Canyon Guide by tap on this shell menu, this one. In here, you can get the upgrade ticket from here by increasing your explorations rank or level in this Whalefall Canyon. And as you level up your rank, you will have a chance to earn this ticket like this. You can just see it like this. You can see it. You can get the tickets from here. And so once your proficiency bar is full and you have an upgrade ticket or upgrade voucher, just simply tap on upgrade like this and then just tap on confirm. And just like that, after upgrading, you will unlock several benefits such as a cleaner upgrade too. So your Purifier ability will increase and it will making your cleanup runs more rewarding. And you can also unlock 3 sea shells. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.